Here you leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy. Hi, welcome to another episode of Magic Day. And in this episode, we're going to ride Splash Mountain and pay tribute to it for the last time. We're pretty sad about that. It does close on May 30th of this month. So if you have not ridden it, you still have some time to go and ride Splash Mountain. So we really appreciate everyone watching and for taking the time to watch our videos. If you are new to our channel and not yet subscribed, please sign up and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. What that does is it keeps you up to date on all of our adventures and videos that we're going to do in the future.
So a fun fact about Splash Mountain: the animatronics on it, some of them come from the attraction America Sings. Tony Baxter realized that they had all these animatronics that they could use and started kind of figuring out for Splash Mountain. All the animals that they were like, we don't know where this would fit or go, are in the final scene. So just like the cats, the dogs, the chickens, just kind of like, I don't know where I would fit that on this ride in a bayou-like area. So that's a fun fact to know.
So we're hoping you guys have a zippity-doo-dah day with us on this last ride down Splash Mountain. And hey, remember, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, sign up. Yeah, you should sign up for our channel and hit the notification bell. So with the closing of Splash Mountain, I do have mixed feelings. It's one of my favorite rides. I am sad, definitely sad, to see it go. And I'm also excited to see Tiana's Bayou Adventure, to see what Disneyland and Disney World does with the attraction. Hopefully it'll be awesome like Splash Mountain was, with the wonderful music that Tiana, Princess and the Frog, from the movie. There's lots to draw from, and the animatronics hopefully will be super cool. We're excited to see all that. So thanks for tuning in, and thanks for your support on our channel. Let's listen to the sights and the sounds of Splash Mountain for one last time.
For your safety, just stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the log, and be sure to watch your kids.
All right, we were on this last time and it broke down.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos.
Hopefully we'll be able to get through the ride this time.
Y cuide a los pequeñitos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado.
Everybody's got a laughing place. Maybe this one is yours. And wait till you see that old rare rabbit. He sure ain't laughing no more. If you finally found your laughing place, how come you aren't laughing? That rare rabbit.
Well, that's just where you were going.
Wow, I hope you guys had as much as fun on that ride as we did. We had a blast. Being our last ride on Splash Mountain. Hey, something else to talk about. If you guys ever want to go on Splash Mountain after this closes, it's still available. It is in Tokyo, Disneyland, Japan. But yes, they are going to keep that open and keep it running, which I thought was really, really cool. So that's something for us to put on our bucket list. To definitely go to Japan and go see Disneyland over there and then ride Splash Mountain again. But hey, we're super excited. We're so excited that you guys could come on this ride with us.
So, last year in 2022, the entire time that I went to Disneyland, out of all the times, I only rode Splash Mountain once. And it was mainly because every other time I went on it, it was always breaking down. Like, there was one time where my friends and I, we were going to go on it. We were going to do, like, whoever could stay the most dry, boys versus girls. But then the ride broke down, which was really sad. But honestly, the cast members are super awesome. They worked so hard. They were so efficient. One of the things you should do, acknowledge the cast members on the Disneyland app if you have it. Give them a shout out. I think it's so awesome that they have that. I want to make someone's day because they work so hard and they do so much for us. At Disney World, the last time that Splash Mountain was open, at the very end, they let all the cast members be the last ride on it, which was so cool, and everyone was cheering for them. And I have a feeling that's what it's going to be like at Disneyland when it closes. We will not be there for that day, but I can bet you, like, Justin Scar and maybe Adam the Woo will be there. So you could probably watch out for their videos. So if you want to see, like, a last day video, I would bet that it would be those two that would be on top of it. I would also bet that Magic Journeys will be there, Fresh Baked, and maybe, I don't know, Provost Park Pass. He's really awesome too. If you guys haven't watched him, highly recommend him. He is so nice. He's super cool. But yeah, if you want to see like a last day at Splash Mountain video, watch out for any of their YouTube channels. I'm sure that they'll post something.
Magic Day. I hope you enjoyed that ride. That was fun. So I imagine when they do Princess and the Frog, they'll probably I'm thinking they're going to take all this out. If they don't take this out, they're going to redo it, revamp it. So it'll be more of that Princess and the Frog, New Orleans theme. I know that's going to open up in 2024, but if you're interested in coming to Splash Mountain, you want to hurry and come to the ride before it's closed permanently. And I imagine the Princess and the Frog is going to be really cool. It'll have music. It'll be really, really good. The characters. And then as far as the route, that's going to still be the same. And I'll have to see if I've got a picture I can throw up of what Princess and the Frog is going to look like out on the front.
So here you can see the diorama of what Tiana's Bayou Adventure is going to look like on the outside. Basically, they're just keeping it the same. All they're doing is taking out Chickapin Hill, taking out the log. Here's some concept art for what it's going to look like inside the ride. We have a few things that we know about. We don't know too much right now. We know that the final scene so far is going to be with Mama Odie. I know a lot of people on TikTok are hoping that it's Dr. Facilier. It's not, because it does take place after the movie, so he is dead in this timeline. So he probably won't be appearing in this ride, but you never know. They've already started work in Disney World. Work will start May 31st in Disneyland. So your last day to ride it again, May 30th. Anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We hope you enjoyed our last splash with us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications and leave a like. And you guys have a magic day. We'll see you next time.